Hey everyone, we are here at a client's house. They bought a Artika 15-inch disc to replace their 2-foot square fluorescent fixture in their laundry room. The problem becomes with this in the laundry room here is the amount of time it takes to warm up and reach peak brightness. You're already done in here. Or you have to leave it on, that way it heats up and stays nice and bright. That way every time you come in here it's nice and bright. So we're swapping it out. It's more efficient to go to an LED. This one is also brighter than that is, and it has no warm-up time. So as soon as you turn it on, it's ready to go. So I'm going to set you guys up so that we can get this swapped out. So first thing, make sure it has no power. Now it has no power. So these old cloud fixtures have little arms on all four sides. So you just undo the four arms. Or I believe you can get away with doing 3. The fourth one should just lower. I know you gotta do all of them. So do the fourth there. And it's the reason to go to one of the new fixtures is it's the same price. It's the same price to go with an LED fixture like this as it is to source new bulbs. Because I believe one of these bulbs is burnt out as well. Oh no. Just slow to turn on and just slow to turn on, ready for an upgrade. But these are the wrong bulbs. So you need a bigger bulb with this. But that's okay. I don't know if this is going to cover these though. Came with the biggest fixture I had. Toggle bolts. So the next up, we're going to take our bracket, hook our ground screw here, Phillips. Nobody likes Philip. So we're just gonna hook on our ground screw here. Let's go the proper way here. So then we just move those out of the way. Take our two awful Phillips screws. It's not going to cover those holes. Not going to cover them. That's why nobody likes Phillips screws. And then just snug that up to the ceiling a bit. Robertson screws. Sorry, whoever takes this down. Like so. Now just we're at our two, we've got our black and our white. We just match it up to our black and white here. Put a wire nut on it. Wire nut on the black. And we just tuck it up like so. Tuck the wires up. If you do not tuck the wires up nice, it will impede it sitting on the ceiling. So it's best to get it up there nice. And then you just put it in its hole here. Put it in its hole. And then you just rotate it in. And like that. It's done. Sits nice and tight to the ceiling. And we just come over here, hit the switch, and that's the end result. Unfortunately, I can't do anything about the ceiling patches. But that's your end result. super easy. Pretty much anyone would be able to do it, because it's just a matter of 3 wires and it's installed. And then this guy, dispose of your fluorescent tubes properly and the ballast properly, and the rest is just scrap metal and plastic. But that's your end result of just a Ortec 15-inch disc light. You can see we've got lots of light in here now.